Welcome back, CBS Los Angeles. These are terrible stories right now. As of now, we just received reports that mad snail disease is actually real. You know that, right? This is not a test. Several emergency alerts have been activated on millions of phones across the Los Angeles metropolitan area as a result. And it has spread south and is beginning to reach counties that are under the California states, which are now heading for or almost close to the Gulf of Mexico and Baja California. Man, Gary's gone nuts. I bet he started a zombie apocalypse. Man, I thought he was a really good guy, but now I don't like him anymore. I actually hate him for starting this apocalypse. Now, because of this, on Twitter, social media, Snapchat, YouTube, and maybe even TikTok, this trend right here is going viral. I'm going to say it once. Zombies are real. That's the trend that we're talking about. Now, we're going to go live with both Papa Louie and Executor KC. Are you both okay? Yeah, we're fine. But can we call our best buddy, Minecraft Casey? Yeah, you could do that. Make him go on this live report. Or we can interview you as long as we live. So, go ahead.
Hello? Are you there? Is mad snail disease in your town? Because mad snail disease is wreaking havoc on our county, as it already originated from Los Angeles, California, which is the exact same area where the Nickelodeon headquarters was attacked.
Right here, as I am battling the mad snail disease outbreak in my town right now, there's a ton of civilians that are getting infected with this zombie virus. As you can see, Executive Casey, Papa Louie Casey, I am fighting off these creatures. They're just dangerous. Do not go near them. I'm a true hero. Only true heroes would actually sacrifice their own lives to save the others. Sometimes that's not really the case, but I'm just trying my best. Not to get. Oh, that's a big army. Oh, ow. I'm fine. Oh, ow. Okay, I'm not fine. Will not fall to you zombies. Yeah, you're dead now. Yeah, you can't fight me. You're too slow. Oh, yeah, I see a lot of them. A lot of zombies right in front of my eyes. I didn't think that mass illness would actually be airborne and just suddenly flee to this country. Oh wait, it already was in the United States the entire time as its origin. But how does this happen? Well, I don't know. But people also be saying that this virus is a natural cause. Some people are saying the virus is actually caused by the famous Gary from SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah. Hey, come here, zombies. Yes, get out of here. Yeah, die. It's just a rainy day here as well. No. Okay. Maybe I was joking on the getting close, but I didn't really say get close to the zombie. Oh, wait a minute. There's a lot of it. No. Oh no. No. Oh no. You're gonna die. No. Oh god. We lost contact. Guys, I think we lost contact with Minecraft Casey. He got consumed by the zombies, and now he's gonna turn into a zombie himself. Well, there's a lot worse stuff out there, Executor Casey. Wait. What? Who's on the door? Wait, don't answer it. They're infected. What are you talking about? Are you dead? Whoa. Close the door. Oh, heck no, we're out of here.